Stuck in there. It's not moving. So I need to figure out how I'm going to get this loose from the hub. Tool that I rented from O'Reilly's. I'm going to use this long thread. This drive bolt is a 19 millimeter. I've already been heating this for just a little bit already. This is just propane, so I don't know how hot this is going to get. Probably going to need to be much hotter, but we'll give this a shot. Alright, so I've been heating on this thing for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and see if this heat did anything. I've sprayed some more PB Blaster down in there. We'll see if this did anything. After a while, we decided we needed to put a little bit of pressure on the CV axle. So it's time to break out Old Trusty. I don't think that thing has moved a millimeter.
It hasn't, no, it hasn't moved.
Our last ditch effort to get the CV axle out, we're using a 80-year-old jaw puller tool that was given to my father-in-law by his father-in-law. So this tool pretty much uses the same principles as the other tools I tried, but it's a much beefier tool. The two jaw hooks.
Go ahead and hit it, Dan, see if you can.
Okay.